Hey, bro.
Yep.
Heads up, these guys just called the cops on you.
Oh, he was just here.
The cop?
Yeah. He was on his motorcycle right there.
Oh, okay.
He was on the phone station.
I just want to let you know.
Yeah, appreciate it.
To Marsh just called. I got the scanner. I was listening. Yeah, no, you're not breaking any laws. I just wanted to let you know. Yeah, they said you were blocking the sidewalk. Not true. She's probably gonna call on me now.
There's a guy standing out here filming.
Yeah.
Just have a recycling center over there? Behind the...
There's only a CVS that I know of.
They do it here now?
Yeah. At one of the Rite Aids.
Can I ask you a couple questions?
Yeah, go for it. Sure. Like privately or?
Talking to this gentleman.
Oh, you're talking to him?
Yeah, no, you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Yeah.
Are you with the police department?
No.
Who are you with?
I'm not with anyone. I'm just independent.
Okay, are you just film?
I heard the call on the scanner, and I record any police interaction that I can see.
Are you, as a downtown business owner, it's difficult to, it's not illegal to be homeless, and we definitely support, everybody, but it's been hard. So do you know, who is an advocate for the businesses downtown?
For the businesses, I'm not too sure.
Yeah?
I mean, the call itself was kind of weird because it said he's blocking the sidewalk. This guy's not blocking the sidewalk.
He was.
Was he?
Yeah, he was.
Well, when I showed up, he wasn't.
He was. And people were trying to get him.
Gotcha.
So, and that changes when he's been doing the same thing repetitively over and over again.
As far as advocating for the businesses, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I don't know. I know there's mental health and stuff like that for.
I wondered if you seem like you might have some information
Yeah, I got a
on
pass
that.
None.
Yeah. So, I was going to go down and talk to downtown Slo about it because there's got to be a balance for everybody, so that it's not because if all the businesses go out of town or go out of business, then it's not going to be good for anybody. So that's kind of what's as a business owner, you just don't realize until you're the business owner.
Yeah.
Trying to pay the bills when people don't want to come downtown anymore.
Yeah.
Because of that, it becomes like you're on the other side.
Okay.
Yeah, until it's like for all of us, until you walk in somebody else's shoes, you're like, oh, but this is how it should be. So you're like, oh shit, there's another side to this.
Right.
So.
I'm more of to be honest, I'm more of an advocate for all people's rights. Our rights.
I'm absolutely with you.
You know what I mean?
Totally.
So.
Totally.
The right to be to record and First Amendment, second, all that.
Absolutely. I totally agree with all of that and being compassionate to everybody, and I consider myself to be completely an independent, not political in either side, but it's like I never really realized how hard it is when you've got there's a lot of mental health issues. I have family with mental health issues, so I get that.
Do you feel like people aren't visiting maybe because of?
They're definitely
because of that.
Professionals who have
a homeless problem, or okay.
Yeah, and so it's like there's no easy answer and there's no easy solution. And you want to care about everybody, but you got to care about the businesses too. So it's difficult. And I don't have the answer.
Yeah.
It's obviously not a problem just here.
Oh, definitely not. No, I've seen a lot, but it's not just here.
What time do they open?
Yeah, well, hey, thanks for talking to me.
Yeah,
appreciate
absolutely.
I like to get both sides.
Yeah, that's good. I appreciate that. Today's was definitely the whole thing, and so we're just trying to survive here too, just like they are.
It's business.
Business since it seems like COVID for everyone has exacerbated the situation for a lot of people, and downtown, so many businesses. If you go down and look how many vacancies there are, people are going out. A colleague of mine, Jolene's Bakery, just went out of business. People are avoiding coming down here.
Okay.
So past. So I don't know how we all work together to you know, make it work for everybody. But right now it's not working for anybody.
Okay. Yeah, from what I've seen, when I approached the scene, it didn't seem like anything was like a problem.
It has moved.
He seemed
like,
nice.
Well,
I don't know if you talked to him.
And see, I don't know that. I've had situations where I've tried to talk to people who were not nice and were screaming and yelling and like having like some sort of an issue at that time.
That would warrant a call.
So I've learned to be careful, as I'm not like a big dude or anything who can be like, hey dude, you know, can you just move over to the next? Like I have to be careful. You know, I've had times where I've had to be escorted out at night by police because of people having meltdowns out here where I didn't know going out.
I would say, you know, I know it might be fearful sometimes, but before the police are needed, I would at least come out and have a talk.
Well, probably as many times as we've, you know, had to be fearful, you just start, you know, just like I'm not going to get involved, I'm not going to, because you know, we've had situations.
Just call the cops. And
it's unfortunately when you have had enough situations where it was, you know, a problem. We have a baseball bat in here now because people homeless who've come in there and are very threatening. It's like we've never thought in a million years we would need to do that, where I'm feeling like I have to protect my employees. The police officers that I have interacted with that because of homeless issues have all been so nice, and they've said to me, which like it's not illegal to be homeless, and I'm like absolutely. Right. So they've been, maybe I've just had the pleasure of talking to officers who are a lot more compassionate.
4220. Yeah, sure.
So, all right, well, yeah. So if I want to look up your YouTube channel, where would I go?
You know what? I'm gonna have to hold off on that one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
But I'm out there.
Yeah?
I'm out there.
You're not going to tell me, you know who I am, you're not going to tell me who you are so I can look it up?
No.
Okay. Why is that?
I just don't feel like it.
Okay.
No offense.
All right.
All right.
Well, I'm not sure if, I don't know if none was taken, but okay.
Okay.
Yeah, take care.
Man, it was just excuses, you know, of why she doesn't want people in front of her store. Dude.
I paid him gas money to give me a ride up here so I can get a phone squared away.
For sure, bro. Well, hey, dude, sorry this happened, man. Good luck.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Gotcha.
Last time I tried. See you later.
All right, later, man. These guys will tell you who I'm with.
Cool.
Teddy site. 20-4.
Good morning.
What's up, man? Don't dox me. Perlet, you got a car today?
Just for now.
Just for now?
Yeah.
For sure.
If we go right later, but
Is Metro only like certain days of the week, or is it just discretionary, or what?
well, it just depends on how many people we have on patrol and whether they can, if we, have enough people that we can ride downtown. But
Gotcha. Hey, can you kind of give me a summary of what's going on?
well, it's just that I don't know. He was moving along by the time I got called in for loitering and blocking the door or whatever. So
I got here about 10-15 ago, just when I heard the call, and he wasn't blocking anything. He was right here, but
Yeah, and that's what they said too. Is, you know, he eventually was moving along, but it was just earlier. I guess he had been here for longer than that. So cool, man.
Have a good one.